Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I recently reached out to a bookstore near Seattle about having my art and products in their store and just finished packing my very first wholesale order for them. So Page 2 Books in Burien will now be carrying a limited range of my bookmarks and stickers. I'm currently consigning my products at another store, Big Whale Consignment in Seattle, but this is my first wholesale partnership and I am thrilled to take another big step with my business. Their order consisted of multiple bookmark designs, including regular and magnetic. The magnetic bookmarks are from last month's shop update, so I definitely finished making them at the right time. The regular bookmark designs they ordered were cacti, moths, beetles, and Pacific tree frogs, and they all have different color tassels. The magnetic ones were the Luna moth, pansy, and axolotl. They also got 5 different die-cut stickers, which included the pansy, beetle, chicken, lemon, and octopus, and a few sticker packs, including the snakes, dinosaurs, and sharks. I printed off a list for myself to make sure I was keeping track of all the products in their order and marking them off before packing them up in their box. Another thing I'm really excited about is I'm able to ship these products to them rather than delivering, which makes the process super easy and convenient. Page 2 Books carries products from multiple local artists along with a large variety of new and used books. I can't wait to pack more orders from the future, and I'm so grateful that I'm able to offer my products to this wonderful store and kind staff. All of these items are hand-drawn and made here in my studio. They're available on my website at NateradeCreates.com. The link will be in the description below, along with the links to the supplies and equipment I use, including packaging supplies, product making, and everything is organized by product, so it's pretty easy to navigate. If you are new here, my name is Natalya. I am the owner and artist of NateradeCreates, a small business based out of Washington State. I create whimsical original art and sell my pieces as stickers, bookmarks, keychains, and tons more. Here on my YouTube channel, I post studio vlogs, illustration videos, product unboxings, and other fun behind-the-scenes content of my small business. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when my next video is uploaded. See you next time!